Barbie Looks 1, or Lina, continues to be a popular doll among Barbie lovers. And for today's video, she will be our highlight for our Restyle / fashion show. The ever-iconic Wonder Woman will be our inspiration behind the looks. We featured her in our most recent video, and we'd like to restyle Lina inspired by her color palette. For our first look, classic red, white, and blue. For this look, Lina is wearing a red dress and a pair of white shoes. I got this dress from Shopee a while back, and these shoes are the ones she already owns. Her belt is actually a white ribbon that I DIY'd, and I didn't want to get too crazy with the accessories, so I only gave her one necklace and a pair of blue earrings. Her pearl earrings are actually trimmed dressmaker pins. I wanted to give her a little vintage look, so I gave her a hairstyle similar to Styled by Design doll number 3. It may not be obvious, but I think plastic from packaging for this hairstyle. I get clear plastic from packaging. Let's trace a circle, cut it out. And I'm going to trim this off some more because we will not need a full circle. I cut off a third of it. I'm left with this piece and I'm going to round off these sharp edges. Now we have this piece that looks like an eyeglass lens. Let's make grooves on this round edge. After some more adjustments, our piece should look like this. Let's part her hair behind her head. Let's position the plastic and let's secure this with the cutoff pins. I'm going to use 2 for stability. And then let's cover the plastic with her hair. Let's spray it with some water. Let's add the headband. And now she has poofy retro style hair. Most of these pieces are available online and you may probably have these in similar colors, but feel free to use what you have. Next look, casual chic. Here's Lina wearing denim skirt, a white tube top, and a red bandana. I got this denim skirt from an online seller in a bundle. This tube top is from a clothes set from Shopee, and this bandana is actually a DIY from scrap fabric. She's wearing maroon boots. I got these online a while back. And following our theme, you can accessorize with red, white, and blue jewelry. I felt like this look would be good with gold jewelry, so I decided to use this gold bracelet instead. And she has on these blue sunglasses from a Barbie fashion pack. I gave her just a few accessories for this look to keep things light, but you can definitely add more. Here comes Lina for our third look, Festive Sparkle. She's dazzling with her sparkling and glittery outfit. She's wearing a red tube top which I made with the fabric from a headband, and this blue ribbon choker necklace with a faux diamond stud. She's wearing an older white skirt with sequin design, and red thigh-high boots, which are actually red shoes with red glitter fabric over them, just like the ones I used for the top. To finish this look, I added a couple of gold bracelets on each wrist, and also gem drop earrings which I DIY'd. These are human earrings that I made into a doll earring. I just realized that I've never really had her hair in a different style. So having her hair in this ponytail makes her look like a totally different doll. Let's call this fourth look Patriotic Americana. Here's our doll wearing denim shorts, red and white striped top, blue puff jacket, and a pair of white cowboy boots. Her top has been DIY'd from a ribbon. I got these shorts from a bundled sale, and this actually came with a skirt from earlier. I've had these boots for a while, and we borrowed this blue jacket from BMR Tango. That gold necklace she's wearing isn't actually gold. This is not even metal. This is just an elastic covered in gold foil, which I think works great as a necklace. You can accessorize with whatever you want, but I'm having her use these cat eye sunglasses from a Beach Millie doll set. And of course, this Wonder Woman inspired makeover won't be complete without her having her try on Wonder Woman's outfit. I remember that these bracelets are pretty loose on a made to move body. Let's see. Yep, that's loose. So I'm thinking maybe using poster putty would help. Let's see if this would look better with that. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same with the armband. It looks awkward that it doesn't fit right, but that's okay, as long as it doesn't fall off. Alright, not too bad. Then let's put the belt on. I think it's like this. The belt fits loosely, but that's okay. And here is Lina wearing Wonder Woman's outfit. I was already expecting that it's not going to fit her well, but actually seeing her wear this outfit made me change my mind, cause this color palette definitely complements her. This reminds me of the recently released She-Ra doll, which also makes use of the Lina sculpt, which I missed, unfortunately. These 4 inspired looks were absolutely fun to make and could be good clothing options for when we take pictures. Best of all is these looks can easily be recreated by pieces you may already have or you can DIY, because crafting doll fashion could be fun. Which one is your fave from our restyles? Thank you for joining us in dressing up Lina in Wonder Woman inspired looks. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Ty's Collectibles and give us a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We'll see you next time.